How do I day trade under $25,000? How is it possible to grow $1,000 to $8,000? Is it a scam? Is this all fake? Is it a simulator? So first off, the broker that I use is SureTrader. SureTrader.com. I have no affiliation with them. They are not paying me to make this video. There's nothing going on at all. They still charge me commissions and all that fun stuff. They've never paid me 1 cent. So I'm going to give you guys the honest truth of why I use SureTrader, why it's the necessary evil to day trade a small account under $25,000. So there's the big question. What is the whole deal with PDT? You see it everywhere, pattern day trader rule. If you're trading a small account, is it possible to day trade? Yes, it is possible. But the problem is you have to use a company like SureTrader to be able to day trade. Well, is it safe? Well, I'm not going to tell you it's 99.999% safe, but I will tell you that I've never had any issues. The customer service is not the best customer service in the world. Is it the best broker in the world? No. I'm going to keep talking about it as a necessary evil to day trade a small account. So first off, the first thing I did, I put $1,000 into my SureTrader account. I've been using SureTrader for the last year on and off, doing a couple different accounts, stuff like that. And now with this small account, I'm using it again. I put $1,000 into it and now I've grown it to $8,000. The biggest plus with SureTrader is they give you margin. So I'm able to grow that $1,000 faster than if I was just trading a cash account. What's the difference between cash and margin? Well, the margin account allows me to make as many trades as I want per day, obviously paying a ton in commissions because I'm trading, a bunch of trades per day. The commission is sometimes $100, $200 a day. Depends on how much I trade. If I overtrade, it's just nasty. But when I day trade, normally I'm doing, 5 to 6 trades per day. And that's not possible when you trade with a normal broker that doesn't allow you to day trade. So if you're trading under $25,000 in a small account in another broker, buy 3 stocks on Monday and sell those 3 stocks in the same day, you're basically done for the week. And you can only trade that many times per week. It's almost impossible to grow your small account. Sure, you can open a cash account, not have to worry about the PDT, but then you have to wait for 3 days settlement, and then it's just another whole nightmare in itself because you can only really buy and sell so many times per week because you're waiting for that settlement. Sure, you can break up your account. If you had $3,000, you can put $1,000 every day and trade with that, but it's just, I'll tell you, it's almost impossible to grow that small account on the cash basis to a $25,000 account in a short amount of time. I'm sure there's going to be somebody commenting saying, yeah, well, as fast as you can grow this account, that's as fast as you can crash it. And that's very true. So starting with a small amount, trading on margin can be very dangerous. If I put $1,000 into that account and I margin out on my first trade, I buy $6,000 worth of a stock and that stock crashes 20%. Well, I just lost all of my money on that one trade and blew up my account. So that's one of the big things about being smart, not over margining your account at first, taking profit fast if you are margined out, because like I said, if you buy $6,000 of a stock, it goes up 10%, you made $600 and you almost doubled your account in one trade. So you need to be very careful, you need to be smart, you can't be emotional when trading with large amounts of margin. So also when you go to the SureTrader website, you're gonna see a couple different options. You're gonna see the option of having the desktop platform, which is what I use. So the desktop platform is actually DayTrader Pro. They call it SureTrader Pro, but it's DayTrader. So you get the idea. If you have ever heard about DayTrader Pro, it's industry standards. The web-based platform is also a DayTrader Pro web-based platform, but it's very lackluster. It's not fast. It's not easy to get in and out of trades, and it's just not the best way to day trade. And that's one of the things you really need to invest in the SureTrader Pro platform so you can use it on your desktop, get in and out of trades faster, use hotkeys, all that fun stuff that you can't use in the web-based. Is the mobile app worth it? Yes, the mobile app is pretty cool. I have it on my phone just because sometimes if I want to, I can get in and out of a trade, like a swing trade or something. I can, buy, sell right there on my phone. It's easy to use the montage just like you would on the desktop. You can use it on your phone. So when you're on the go, you can get in and out of trades. Also, people always comment about the commissions on SureTrader. They're not the best, they're not the worst. Like I said, it's a necessary evil. You have to pay to play. If you want to grow a small account, you have to just pay the commissions, you have to pay the fees, and you have to just stick to it. And that's just part of it. I'm not really sure how it works. I have a feeling that the way that it's set up is that SureTrader is basically trading on your half. Like basically you're putting your money into their account. You're placing trades through them basically. And they are the ones who are actually buying and selling the stocks that you are buying and selling through them. So I'm not sure. But that's how I think they're getting around it. Basically, they are the ones who are doing the trades for you Legally on the different exchanges, they're the ones who are placing those trades, not you as a person. I don't really know how to explain it better than that. Maybe I'm totally wrong, maybe I'm not, but I think that's how they're getting around the whole pattern day trader rule. Have I had any issues, getting money in, getting money out? Yeah, there was a couple issues with the credit card system. It's definitely easiest to deposit money with a credit card. You can easily deposit and get money in the same day. I put $1,000 in, I had it there pretty much the same day. In the past, I've withdrawn money. It takes, 3 to 4 days to withdraw money, but you will be able to withdraw your money. Once I build my small account up close to that $25,000 mark, you'll definitely see me be changing brokers to a different broker. I'm looking at some other brokers right now, where I want to take my small account to next. I have my large account with TD. They have amazing customer service. They have branches all over Florida, so it's easy for me to use TD on that sense. The commissions aren't the best. The executions aren't the best, but like I said, it's all about kind of figuring out which broker works best for you. And right now, TD works best for me in that sense, that it's ease of use and it's local and it's a large bank, blah, all that fun stuff. But this is about SureTrader. Is SureTrader the best? No. Is SureTrader a necessary evil for a small account? Yes. There's really no other option out there to trade a small account other than using SureTrader. Can you make money with SureTrader? Yes. Can you lose all of your money in SureTrader? Yes, because it's easy to blow up a small account with the commissions, with the margin. Like I said, if you buy $6,000 of a stock with a $1,000 account and it drops 20%, which is easy on these big runners, it could easily drop 20% in the matter of seconds. You just blew up your whole entire account. So play it safe. Don't go and margin out everything you have on the first trade, or build up a little bit of a cushion there. Figure out the execution first. Make sure you're able to get in and out of trades fast. If they do start dropping, cut your losses when you have them. Take your profit when you have it as well. SureTrader works. Their website is decent. It's not the best website. Their live chat actually is pretty good. If you have any issues, you can easily go on their website and live chat with one of their support reps. You can email them. They email back normally. You can actually call them as well. I've called them a couple times to talk about commissions and all that stuff, trying to get them to let me have less commissions, but they don't want me to have less commissions because they like that I pay a lot of money for commissions, because my small account could be a lot bigger, but it's not because I pay commissions and fees. But that's beside the point here. If you are interested in using SureTrader, like I said, it's a necessary evil. It works. You'll be able to trade with them. You'll be able to deposit your money. You'll be able to withdraw your money. Signing up for SureTrader for the first time can be a bit time consuming. It can seem that you're jumping through a lot of hoops and all that fun stuff, but it's just part of it. Once you get it done, it kind of just works. You get money in, money out, and you'll figure it out. Yeah, like I said, just take it slow when you first open up your SureTrader account. Don't go crazy. Don't just margin out and blow up your account the first day. Be smart and really kind of figure out the mechanics of the broker. Figure out the platform you're using. Make sure that you can get in and out of trades fast. I see people, they buy a stock and the next minute the stock's crashing and they don't know how to actually sell the stock or get out fast enough, and they get crashed on and they end up blowing up their account. I opened up a SureTrader account last year. I grew it from like $2,000 to $8,000. And then the next day I ended up losing like $4,000. So it's easy to make money very fast when you're using margin and you have these big runners. But in the same sense, it's even easier to lose all that money when you're trading on margin, because it just takes that one drop to wipe out your whole entire account. So play it smart. Be cautious. Trade very scared when you're using margin. Don't go crazy. Don't go and average down, every 10 cents as the stock is dropping, because you're just going to end up blowing up your account. But overall, like I said, this is an honest review, just kind of my experiences using SureTrader for the last year. Does it work? Yes. Is it the necessary evil that we have to use when trading with a small account? Yes. And that's just part of it. You need to understand SureTrader is what it is. Don't think it's anything more than that. Really just use it as a tool to grow a small account to a larger account. Use the margin to your advantage when it's smart, and also be smart with your account overall in general. Don't overtrade, because the commissions do rack up very fast. It's one of the reasons that I'm always talking about finding the best opportunities to get in and out of. If you have any questions about SureTrader in general, if you have any questions about brokers, PDT, all that fun stuff, leave a comment below. If you don't have any questions at all, just like this video. Maybe you enjoyed it, maybe you didn't. Hopefully you guys did. Make sure you subscribe to the Plan Trade Profit channel.